In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in Adobe InDesign. If you're working on a layout and things feel a little too close for comfort, zooming out helps you see the bigger picture, check alignment across pages, and navigate more confidently. First, open Adobe InDesign and get your document on screen. You can start a new file or open an existing project. What matters is that the document window is active. Click anywhere on the pasteboard or on an empty area to make sure InDesign is focused on the layout and not on a background app or a dialog box. If you were typing in a text frame a moment ago, switch out of text editing so that view shortcuts will work as expected. Now, to zoom out, press Ctrl and the minus key together on Windows. On Mac, use Command and minus. The minus key is the hyphen right next to the 0 on the top row of your keyboard. The one on a numeric keypad also works on most setups. Tap the shortcut a few times to step back gradually until you can comfortably see the portion of your page or spread that you need. Each press lowers the zoom percentage a bit, which you can confirm in the lower left corner of the document window. If nothing seems to happen, double check that your cursor isn't active inside a text frame. When you're editing text, InDesign prioritizes text input over view commands. A quick click on the pasteboard or choosing the selection tool will return control to the page view. Remember that zooming only changes how you see the document on screen. It doesn't affect the actual size or export settings of your project. This makes it safe to zoom in and out frequently as you design. While you're zoomed out, you can navigate by holding the spacebar to temporarily access the hand tool and dragging the canvas, which keeps your focus on composition without changing the zoom level. Choose a zoom level that lets you judge white space, grid rhythm, and image placement at a glance. On high-resolution displays, you may need to step down farther than you expect to get a true sense of overall balance. The shortcut behaves the same in normal and preview views, so even when guides are hidden, your zoom level remains consistent. That's all there is to it. Open InDesign, make sure your document is active, and use Ctrl- or Command- on Mac to zoom out cleanly and quickly. With this simple shortcut in your muscle memory, you'll move through complex layouts faster, compare elements across pages, and keep your workflow smooth from start to finish.